Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone, welcome back to new lesson. This is MD Jakariya. I hope that you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I will talk about a very interesting sentence structure, that is WH question of present perfect. So I hope that you will watch the video before ending. So let's get started. The sentence structure is WH question plus have or has plus subject plus V3. This is the sentence structure of present perfect WH question. The example is Ami কি খেয়েছি আমি কি খেয়েছি This is an example of present perfect WH question. So now we will try to translate the sentence following the structure. First time we have to use the WH question words here. Try to find the which word is WH words. আমি কি খেয়েছিলাম. Here the WH words is কি. Here the WH word is key. So you know that key means what? What? Then have or has. Here will be have because the subject is Ami. You know that with I auxiliary form will be have, and if the subject is third person singular, that time you will use has. Okay. WH question plus have or has have plus subject. Ami ki খেয়েছি. Here the subject is Ami. Ami means I. Then V3. Which word is verb here? Here verb is খেয়েছি. খেয়েছি means eat. But the past participle form is eaten. So the sentence is what have I eaten? That means is আমি কি খেয়েছি. This is the example of present perfect WH question. I hope that you have understood the lesson very easily. You should make some sentence in my comment box. Thanks for watching the video. See you again with a new video.